He's an old country boy with a mean stride, boots caked in red clay, hat pulled low on his pride. Today's Huck Finn, riding fence lines alone, no chain on his soul, no preacher's dial tone. Though his mind ain't for lease to no suit or no crown, don't call him stubborn, don't try to drag him down. His quiet's a wall when the world's talking loud, he just nods to the wind, lets it carry the crowd. No, his heart ain't for rent to any flag or any rent, always dreaming yet content. He knows nothing stays the same but changes. Catch the dust, catch the dawn, catch the river rolling on, catch the rebel in the song, catch the drift. He was once that wild kid running barefoot through the pines, chasing fireflies, dodging county lines. Now the boy's still burning in the man he became, same spark in his eye, just a little more flame. He builds what he needs with calloused hands and sweat. Don't need your approval, don't need your regret. What you say about his ways is what you say about the land, where freedom grows wild and ain't ruled by demand. The world is love and hard work run deep, maybe as wide as these fields, as tall as the tales we keep. He rides out the storms, plants in the rain, laughs at the lightning, don't fear the pain. Always hopeful, yet he knows tomorrow's just another road. No, his mind ain't for rent to any god or government, always hopeful yet discontent. He knows changes ain't permanent, but changes. Catch the mist off the creek at first light, catch the myth of the old way of life, catch the mystery, catch the fight, catch the drift. Exit the warrior, today's Huck Finn. Mean pride, but a gentle grin. He don't bow to the crowd, don't chase the wind, just keeps walking his own road till the sun sinks again. Catch the drift.